ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ತರುಣ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತರುಣ್ ಜಿತ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ J2W. I love playing football and badminton, of course. And my dad is from army, and most of my uh, time I've spent in Air Force campus, playing around football, badminton, and my wife, my daughter is in UKG, and my parents are back in my native Alapi.
ಓಕೆ.
Yeah, thank you.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರೇ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಹಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಹಿ ನೆನಪುಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಪವನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್ ಬೇಜಾನಿದೆ. ಏರ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ಪಾಲೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, when my dad actually got retired, so that was something which was little hurt. I mean, I was very badly hurt. He was a Subedar major, so I had all the convenience when I was there in the campus, protected when my dad was around. So once he was retired, so it was a painful moment for me. So I will take it that as a bad memory, and I wanted to regain back. I had chances in my life with respect to choosing defense, got multiple opportunities, but I couldn't carry forward that. And that is one bad memory, I should say. And but yes, good thing is that I got my kid admitted to Air Force School back to the same campus.
Oh.
So that's one good memory that I got. And definitely, it was a love marriage. So meeting my wife was a precious moment, that I should say.
ನೈಸ್.
Yeah, thank you.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಹೆಸರು?
Her name is Anvi Tarunjit.
ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
She's in UKG.
ತರುಣ್ ಅವರೇ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ. ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿತ್ತು? ಇದೇ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಓದಿರೋದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 7 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಜನರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So HR, being into recruitment especially, it's a noble process where actually you deviate, actually you give people a chance for their life, right? So it's a noble cause. So being into recruitment, that excites me a lot when I'm supporting people or helping people around through campus recruitment. So this is something which I really like, talking to people. ಜನರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ರಚಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜನರು?
See, ideally a graduation plus an MBA in HR will work out for this.
ಓಕೆ.
And a person who can actually communicate with people, understand what is the requirement. For me, there is no one person is bad or good, right? Everybody has got skill in themselves. It is just that we need to identify. So a person who can actually talk to every candidate same as any other candidate, whether it is excellent or whatever it is. For me, everybody is the same.
Okay.
It is just identification of the skill set and putting it across to the right fit.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
And I think
ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೇ ಇರಬೇಕಾ?
yes, in terms of HR operations, understanding in terms of policies. So yes, qualification is also required, and at the same time, a person should be passionate in terms of in terms of recruitment or a resource management perspective. Yes.
ಓಕೆ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಈ ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ?
Yes, graduation is
ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ತರುಣ್ ಅವರೇ, ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್?
Thank you and sorry. That is for my parents.
ಓಕೆ.
Both thank you and sorry as well.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದಾ?
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಮೋಷನಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲವ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ get to marry to someone whom I love. So there was lot of difficulties, emotional connects. So there was resistance was very much in terms of me getting united with my wife. So at this point of time, I think I should say I really miss my mom. I love my mom. So mom and dad both. So
ಈವನ್
yeah,
ವಿ ಲವ್,
yeah.
ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್
Yes.
ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ತರುಣ್ನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
Thank you.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಾರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು?
See, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, you know, see, right now, me, my wife, my kid.
ಓಕೆ.
But, given an opportunity, maybe I would rather love to be with my parents. I tried my best to bring my parents back to Bangalore, but they're settled there.
ಓಕೆ.
They're happy there. So, adondu, I feel sorry because, during this point of time, their old age time, I want to be with them. But definitely the daily needs, the things that we do on a daily basis. So all those requirements, we need to be in Bangalore.
ಓಕೆ.
And Bangalore being 30 years, I choose Bangalore. But somewhere it is for my kid also now, right? They choose the same thing. Over the education, they choose Bangalore, right? And now that, yes, I miss my parents, so that's why I'm sorry. I'm not able to, give time to my parents also, right? They need they need more time actually, right? And I can see, I can look up into their eyes, and I can tell that they are missing me every second. The same time for me, not in one day, it just goes like that. Every day I actually see my parents, but
ಓಕೆ.
I'm like, somewhere I feel like, I'm not able to be there with them. So that is something which is a sorry moment for me.
ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Um, help people around, support people, talk to people. Everybody are good, right? There's no good and bad, right? Don't be judgmental, and be with your family the best that you can be with, right? Spend most of the time with your parents, your wife, your kid, your relatives, your friends. And yes, friends are the backbone for me especially.
ಓಕೆ.
And cheers to all my friends, all my loving friends. They are actually my backbone, always there to support me from day one, until now, and it's going to be there forever. Thank you so much for all my dear friends. Thank you.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎಮೋಷ್ನಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಹೌದು, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ನಿಜ. ಯಾರಿಗೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಖುಷಿನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಅನೇಕ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಮಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you so much.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.